Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Hi! Welcome to Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay. Ito po muli si Bong and Claire. And today, pag-uusapan natin is about complacency in marriage.
Yan, Claire, magandang pag-usapan niya ng mag-asawa. Kasi kadalasan, pansinin mo, yung mga mag-aasawang matatagal nang nagsasama, let's say 10 years, 20 years, or even 30 years, hindi ba? Merong tendency na i-take nila for granted yung kanilang pagsasama. Kasi yung thinking na, bakit ba? Asawa ko naman na to, matagal na kaming magkasama sa bahay. Hindi na ako mag-e-effort, hindi ba? Katulad nung mag-boyfriend-girlfriend kami.
Yes, and this kind of complacency in marriage can lead to loneliness, bitterness, and indifference. And sad to say, minsan nga po, it can even lead to slow and painful destruction of your relationship. And syempre naman po, ayaw talaga natin mangyari ito sa ating pagsasama. Kaya naman, Bong, yan ang pag-usapan natin today.
Yan, sige, ang magandang tanong, how can we avoid complacency in our marriage? Unang-una po sa lahat, become a boyfriend and girlfriend once again to your spouse.
Wow.
Alalahanin po ninyo yung mga bagay that won her hearts. Hindi ba yung mga bagay na kinikilig-kilig kayo, katulad nung binibigyan mo siya ng mga chocolates, flowers, at sinusulatan mo siya ng magagandang messages, hindi ba?
Okay, ikalawa, bring back the spark. Alam nyo, you still have it in you if you will only dig enough.
I like that.
Sabi mo nga kanina, Bong, di ba? Think about those things that you did. The words that you have uttered na kinilig ang misis o mister nyo. Yung mga regalo na binigay nyo sa kanya na talaga namang it made her day or it made his day. At be intentional po in making them happy.
That's right, Claire. It's still there with you. I like it. Nandyan yan.
Yes.
You just have to tap it. Diba? Sariwain nyo lang yung mga alaala ninyo nung nagliligawan pa kayo sa isa't isa.
That is right.
Number 3, date your spouse and spend time with them. This is one strong way to keep your connection intact. Ito ang dapat natin gawin. Kahit na po matagal na kayong mag-asawa, importante pa rin po that you find time to date your spouse alone. Hindi po yung kasama yung mga bata. Yung talagang kayong dalawa lamang. Go out on a date. Diba kahit mga simple dates lang yan, do it all over again.
And happy ako, Bong, kasi Bong and I regularly do that. Talaga pong wala pong linggo ang lumipas na hindi kami nagde-date ng asawa ko. It doesn't have to be expensive. Minsan, a simple walk in the park, o minsan nga, nagda-drive-thru lang kami, happy na kami ni Bong. Basta ang maganda, magkasama kayo, nagbabonding kayo mag-asawa, yung kayong dalawa lang, yung alone moments nyo. Choose to love your spouse and spend time with them. Choose to love your spouse well. Remember that they are not the same person that they were when you first met them. Syempre, nagbabago po kayo. At kayo rin naman, nor are you. You'll be surprised to find out that there are new things to discover. Kahit po nagbago sa tingin nyo ang asawa ninyo, marami po kayong bagong matutuklasan na bagay tungkol sa kanila. So stop complacency in marriage.
Nurture and nourish your relationship so it won't begin to wither. Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin
na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy Buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.